Have you ever said or heard Bollywood sucks?
Huh?
Well, we shouldn't say that. Before we say, we should see all of them. After looking into modern Bollywood movies here in All-in-One Station, came with this list of top 10 hidden Bollywood movies based on modern times. Before you start watching this video, subscribe to AIOS to get more contents like this. Number 10. Mukti Bhavan. A working man has to leave his job for a while just to take his stubborn father in Varanasi and has to stay there until his father dies. His father doesn't want him to go. But as usual, the man just can't leave his father alone.
करना क्या है? टैक्सी में बैठ के जाना ही है ना? तो मुझे टैक्सी में बिठा देना, मैं अपने आप चला जाऊंगा. इतना समय है ना तुम्हारे पास?
This film is based on happiness and spirituality. Adil Hussein's acting was so amazing that you can't move your eyes from him.
मिसेस जी, आपको कैसे पता है कि कौन कब मरेगा?
अब ये तो मुझे भी नहीं मालूम, लेकिन पता लग जाता है.
The screenplay and the cinematography of the movie are amazing too. Deeply emotional and amazingly beautiful, Mukti Bhavan should be watched by everyone. Number 9. Dhanak. Two siblings, a little girl and his blind brother, left their home just to meet Shah Rukh Khan and cure the eyes of the boy.
तेरा हीरो शाहरुख खान लक्ष्मण के टिप्पो पे शूटिंग कर रहा है वो.
This journey is so adorable and so realistic yet funny.
अंधा है.
क्यों? आपको भी नहीं दिखता?
They are just too little, even they are so confident about to reach the destination. This national award-winning film that has so many things to learn, completely ignored by the audience, and we don't know why. Number 8. No Smoking. No Smoking is directed by Anurag Kashyap, and this film is super confusing, and if you compare it to the Hollywood movie Fight Club. No Smoking is about a man who wants to stop his smoking addiction just to avoid divorce.
इस बार एनिवर्सरी पे क्या चाहिए तुम्हें?
डिवोर्स.
इतना बजट नहीं है मेरा.
This guy meets an underground agency where they promised him to stop his smoking even though the formula was shocking.
आज तक जितनी हजारों सिगरेट तुमने पी है, उस सब का धुआं मिलाकर तुम्हारे भाई को 5 मिनट तक इसमें सांस लेनी पड़ेगी.
This psychological thriller is unable to understand at first, but if you want to, there are so many things to discover. Number 7. Madari. Madari is undoubtedly one of the most ignored movies in Bollywood. It is the reflection of the cruel reality that one must encounter. To take revenge on government, a man kidnapped the son of the Home Minister.
क्यों कैसे पे चुपती है, लेकिन ये खबर पक्की है कि होम मिनिस्टर का लड़का किडनैप हो गया.
Madari is deeply emotional, and if you wouldn't cry in this movie, I don't know where will. Irfan Khan's acting was so raw that he made this movie completely realistic.
जो अखबार ने बोला मान लिया, लेकिन तुम मेरी दुनिया मुझसे छीनोगे, मैं तुम्हारी दुनिया में घुस जाऊंगा.
Badly ignored, this movie is an eye-opener to the audience. Number 6. Neel Batte Sannata. A maid played by Swara Bhaskar wants to make her daughter successful, though her daughter doesn't study at all.
वही क्लास वही बुक. तुझे 10वीं में नहीं भेजा? 9वीं 10वीं क्या फर्क पड़ता है? बस किताबें थोड़ी मोटी हो जाती हैं.
Neel Batte Sannata is superbly acted. This film is unable to hate by most of us. Most people don't know anything about it. In 2015, the movie got several awards. This is a perfect reflection of mother-daughter relationship. How this film is written and directed is just more than beautiful. Funny, authentic, emotional and moving, Neel Batte Sannata deserves more than it got. Number 5. Trapped. This hypertension thriller had crashed in the box office and the people haven't watched this too. Rajkumar Rao's performance in this movie was out of the world and the cinematography of the film was breathtaking.
कुछ भी हो जाए, इधर नहीं मरना.
About to meet his girlfriend, a man trapped in his own room where the door got blocked and the lock broke. The room was on the top floor and no one else was in this whole flat because it was illegal. Trapped is one of the most underrated one-directional thriller ever made in Bollywood.
हेलो हेलो रेड एक्शन, हेलो रेड एक्शन, हेलो.
Number 4. Tu Hai Mera Sunday. 5 guys just want to play football, but in the crowded city. They are just unable to find out where.
अरे मुंबई में कोई ना कोई जगह तो होगी ना खेलने को.
Arjit Singh's songs Thodi Si Jagah De De from this movie describes it all. Tu Hai Mera Sunday is all about love, life, family, happiness, and friendship. This movie covers almost everything. This is emotional, funny, moving, romantic, and adorable at different times, and sometimes at the same moment. This 2017's feature has not more than 1000 ratings in IMDb. It's just a ride of our journey which is beautifully relatable. Number 3. Phobia. The screenplay of this movie is one of the best in Bollywood. Phobia is about a woman who suffers from agoraphobia after a tragedy.
मुझे एग्रोफोबिया है.
Agoraphobia. That sounds exotic.
She has to return to his normal life, but moments after moments, the drama unfolds. Her friends started to help her too.
दुनिया के कई फेमस एंटरटेनर्स, फिलोसोफर्स, सबको एग्रोफोबिया था. बाबरा स्ट्राइसन, सिंगर, किम्बे सिंगर.
Radhika Apte gave so far the best performance of her career. The tension, sweat, thrill, suspense, everything can be seen throughout her eyes.
प्रॉब्लम हो रही है ना मुझे. प्रॉब्लम हो रही है मुझे.
I'll just get my toolkit.
नहीं चाहिए.
This film is shockingly crazy and beautifully disturbing, which you should watch before you die. Number 2. Titli. Now this one is completely forgotten like no movies ever. About a carjacked family with 3 brothers where the third one wants to run away.
तेरा ड्रीम प्रिंस है, मेरा अपना ड्रीम है. मुझे निकलना है यहाँ से.
Carnival's Titli is better than most of the Bollywood movies. Dark, crazy, and disturbing Titli is about love at the end. This film will move you from inside. In 2015, where movies like Masaan, Piku, Talwar came out, Titli was on this list too. This film was banned from several theaters. Still, it praised by some specific reviewers. Though there were movies like Masaan, Piku, Talwar, Bajrangi Bhaijaan, or Bajirao Mastani, some said this one was the best of 2015. Titli is superbly written, amazingly directed, beautifully acted, and passionately shot, which made this movie addictive in each moment. Before we move to number 1, here are some honorable mentions.
बोल जितना ज्यादा तंग करोगे उतना ज्यादा दौड़ूंगा. जितना ज्यादा तंग करोगे उतना ज्यादा.
अच्छा, अगर मैं तुम्हें अपनी एक समझ के गाली दूं, यू वोंट माइंड राइट?
हेलो,
ट्रेन पर हो ना?
हाँ ट्रेन पे ही हूँ, लेकिन अपनी मेरी दूसरी भी चढ़ गया.
What? योगी, ट्रेन की जो.
Number 1. Ship of Theseus. Awarded for the Best Feature Film of the Year in 61st National Film Award, Ship of Theseus tells us to live like never before. This philosophical journey is so realistic and deep. Ship of Theseus is a combination of 3 stories: a girl who changed her eyes, an old monk who transferred his skin, and a guy who changed his kidney. All these body parts came from the same person. Ship of Theseus is about life and living, about creativity and making, or about loving and caring.
अच्छा, साधु भिक्षा क्यों मांगते हैं? क्योंकि पेट के लिए तो सारी दुनिया भागम दौड़ करती है.
This is probably one of the deepest movie made in Bollywood. Gratefulness you are gonna get after seeing this movie is priceless.
कुछ हो नहीं पाया.
जितना कुछ हुआ क्योंकि तुमने कुछ किया.
So, what about the list? Which movie do you think we have missed? Comment down below and thanks for watching this video.
तुम्हें बिल्ली से इतना डर लगा?
बहुत डरती हूँ मैं बिल्ली से. प्लीज कम, प्लीज.